Terra Luna Classic price forecast, LUNC up 3%, will the UPS continue? The price of Terra Luna Classic, LUNC, rallied to $0.00013313 yesterday after a massive market-wide rally, but is down more than 3% in the last 24 hours with the subsequent correction. Despite yesterday's gains, the current price of LUNC is showing a 2.65% loss in the last 7 days, while Bitcoin and Ethereum are also falling in the same timeframes. However, yesterday's rally points to the possibility of more gains for LUNC, which is up just over 13,000% compared to its all-time low of $0.000000099967 in May 2022. With plans to repeg its sister stablecoin USTC to $1, it may be a matter of time before large quantities of LUNC are burned, causing the altcoin price to rise. Terra Luna Classic price forecast, where is LUNC heading now? LUNC's chart reveals some promising indicators, with both its relative strength index, purple, and its 30-day moving average, red. That is, the 30-day average has started to rise steeply towards the 200-day, blue, and if the shorter average surpasses the longer one, the coin may experience a breakout. Likewise, LUNC's RSI, which was below 30 last week, has also jumped to 70 in recent days, indicating oversold. While it has dropped over the last few hours, it's still hovering around 60, which indicates good upward momentum. The key resistance level here for LUNC is $0.000135. If it can make a clean break from this price, it could see more gains in the coming days. Given how poorly LUNC has performed over the past week and month, there is some discussion that it is currently oversold and undervalued and therefore could recover significantly in the next few weeks. This suspicion was reinforced by continued efforts to burn LUNC and boost its price, with February witnessing the adoption of a proposal to refix LUNC's sister stablecoin, USTC. The reason this is bullish for Terra Luna Classic is that it will require large-scale burning of LUNC tokens, as LUNC is used to regulate the price of USTC. According to the developers, they will create a more efficient system for LUNC and USTC that can burn more than the tax rate. Further burning is absolutely necessary for LUNC to approach its old price, as only 48.6 billion LUNC has been burned out of a circulating supply of approximately 5.9 trillion to date. This is why the offer is so important, but a plan needs to be agreed to actually put it into action, so the price of LUNC has lived up to expectations. Still, the Terra Luna Classic community continues to work on various other proposals aimed at increasing the value of LUNC. This includes a proposal to increase the on-chain burn tax from the current 0.5% to 0.8%, in which case more LUNC will go out of circulation. At the same time, another proposal proposes changing the incineration tax distribution so that 25% of the tax instead of 10% goes towards financing developers. This will help raise funds on the Terra Luna Classic blockchain and help make its ecosystem and applications more attractive to users and projects. However, while the intentions of such proposals are positive, some validators oppose the idea of raising the incineration tax rate to 0.8%. There is also a proposal to remove a developer from responsibility for supporting the growth of the Terra Luna Classic ecosystem. All of this makes it clear why LUNC hasn't recovered as strongly as some owners might have wanted, and also why its community has failed to come up with a concrete plan to truly refix USTC. Still, it's good news that the burn rate has increased in recent weeks as Binance continues to burn its own trading fees, and announced that it destroyed 8 billion LUNC in the 3 months to the end of February. Because of this gradual increase in burn, LUNC has a good chance of hitting $0.00015 in the next few weeks, and $0.0002 is a bit further target. From there, assuming the market continues to recover, there is a chance it could return to $0.0004 or $0.0005 by the end of 2023. Bigger gains depend on the Terra Luna Classic community rallying behind a specific plan to refix USTC.